Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign a DocuSign document that's been sent to your email. This is a straightforward process that lets you electronically sign important documents without needing to print, scan, or mail anything back. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your email inbox in your web browser. For this tutorial, we'll use Gmail as an example, but the process works similarly across other email providers. Once you're in your inbox, look through your emails to locate the one from DocuSign. This email will typically have a subject line indicating that a document is waiting for your signature. Click on that email to open it. Inside the email, you'll see a button labeled Review Document. Click on this button to proceed. This action will redirect you to the DocuSign platform where the document is hosted securely. A confirmation message will pop up on your screen. This is DocuSign's way of ensuring you're ready to review and sign the document. Go ahead and click Continue to move forward with the signing process. Now you'll see the document itself, and DocuSign will highlight the areas where your input is required. For example, you might see a field that says Sign. Click on this field to begin adding your signature. DocuSign makes this easy by offering different methods to create your signature. You'll be presented with options to either draw your signature, upload an image of it, or even type it out. If you prefer to draw your signature, click Draw. This opens up a signature pad where you can use your mouse or trackpad to create your signature. Take your time here to make sure it looks the way you want it to. Once you've drawn your signature, click Adopt and Sign. This action applies your signature to the document in the designated field. You'll notice that your signature now appears on the document, officially marking your approval or agreement. After you've completed all the required fields, look to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled Finish. Click on this button to finalize and submit the signed document. DocuSign will process your submission and typically send you a confirmation email with a copy of the signed document for your records. And that's it. You've successfully signed a DocuSign document sent to your email. The entire process is secure and legally binding, making it a reliable way to handle important paperwork digitally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.